1964 Chevrolet Impala, two-door hardtop to take a look at Unique, especially in classics. Now it is riding on the SS wheel covers, not representing this as an SS. Regular two-door hardtop underneath the hood, 283 V8, power steering. That 283 is paired up with a Power Glide automatic transmission. Let's go ahead and take a look at this front bumper, headlights, surrounds, grille. Get a good look at the front end. Originally an ermine white car, 936 I believe would be the paint code. Has had a repaint. It's got a little more of almost like that white metallic or a slight diamond white now, as opposed to just the basic ermine white as it would have been in 1964 rolling off the Chevy dealer's showroom floor. If you want to check out the still pictures, check them out. Engine bay, undersides, interior, still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description if you're watching on YouTube. It's going to take you right there. And of course our number, 507-386-1726. Let you take a look up and down the passenger side. Take a look at the bright work up and down the side of this car. Red interior, appears to be the original interior. We're going to check that out a little closer when we get around to the driver's side. A few touch-ups down here as far as the paint goes. Doesn't really look like much for any bubbling, anything like that. Just little touch-ups in the paint. Cloth vinyl blend. As far as the seats go, portion will be vinyl, seating area is cloth. Stock dash with the exception of the later model like retro sound style radio. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Take a look at the rear bumper. See the condition of the chrome, dual exhaust. There will also be a light car cover, dust cover if you will, that'll go with it, and 4 rims will be in the trunk of this car also. Once again, still pictures. Check out that trunk, check out the underside, interior. Check them out at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on that link down below this video in the descriptions. It'll take you right there. And of course, that phone number, once again, 507-386-1726. Give you a good look up and down the driver's side. Did notice one little spot. There's a ding up here. Let me point this out. You can see that in the pictures, or if you notice it in the start of the video. All right. As you can see, it has the optional seat belts. Would have been an option in 64. Door panels. I also have pictures in with the still pictures of the carpeting. So it has the floor mats out, so you'll be able to see underneath there and check that out in the still pictures. Also see pictures of the headliner, which is in fine shape. Again, rear seat. And once again, this interior appears to be original. So let's go ahead, fire it up, let's hear it run. We have an aftermarket tack on the steering column there. Nice running, good sounding car. That was a cold start, as you can see, with a cold light. This radio also works. Blower fan works. It's right here. So those things are both working on this car. FYI, take a look at the rest of the dash here. Looks good there. Also, wipers on in here. Wipers do work. So everything appears to be functioning on this car well. Even the horn. Slip around to the back so you can hear it run. No crazy exhaust or wild cam, anything like that. Just a nice running 283 underneath the hood. Speaking underneath that hood, I'm going to pause this a second. Let's pop that. And check out the engine bay and we'll wrap this video up.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
There's the hood pop. What can I tell you about under here? Hooker headers, Edelbrock intake, Rochester quadrajet carb. Again, 283. Paired up with a power glide automatic transmission. As you can see, also power steering. Smooth running engine. Like I said earlier, no wild cam, anything like that. Fun one to get in and drive to any of your local shows, roll-ins, cruise-ins. 1964 Chevrolet Impala 2-door hardtop. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. First, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.